Right. And then
Like the outskirts,
yeah. There's a wishing well there as well. Is it? It's like a museum, is it?
well, it's just like you can see an original cottage
Yeah.
before electricity and all that.
Yeah,
came.
yeah, right.
This is how they built them, and it was brought that way.
Yeah.
Probably better condition. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And probably 50, 100 years
On
ago.
the old outhouse.
Yeah.
The toilet outside, and
Yeah, outside Dunny.
the sheds for the.
This is what I want you to see more than anything. If you remember.
The stables for the horses.
This poem that's on here, Ross, is absolutely fabulous.
Yep.
If you read that, you could do with taking one of them back with you.
Yeah. The old stables.
So
Yep.
that
Is
when we lived at Oxford Grove when I was a kid, we had exactly that was our.
for the laundry.
Yeah, we had one of those. It was exactly
For squeezing
the same.
out the clothes. Yeah.
And I used to be pushing, you know, like, and you'd alter it to get big blankets through.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So it brings back an awful lot of memories to me.
Yeah, absolutely. I bet it does.
Yeah. There's your big old cart and
Yep.
whatever.
Oh look, the dog kennel, matey. Look. There's a little statue of a dog. Yep. Little statue of a dog as well. Yeah. Oh, it's fascinating, Dad. It's lovely.